Are you new to Say Heroes or a returning player and would like to have a really cool build for a Robotics Traps Masterminds? I'm Controlled Chaos, and in this video we're going to go over just that. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, the Robotics Traps Mastermind is a really nice build due to the fact that you get some defenses, you get a bunch of good heals, and things like that. It works out really well. Now, with all masterminds, you don't have a bunch of personal attacks, you get a bunch of pets. But those pets really help out. So the first power you get as a mastermind, you get a choice between two. For your primary, you either get a pulse rifle blast or battle drones. Which one you choose first is up to you. But if you choose drones first, you have a pet and no personal attack. Now, for the pulse rifle blast, the way I built this up is I put 2 accuracies on it and 3 damage on it. You want to do a good chunk of damage. Don't worry about your attacks. We'll have you covered later on. Now, for your battle drones, I did 3 accuracies and 3 damage on that. I want to make sure that my pets are hitting a lot. They're the main brunt of your force. The next power that you'll get in robotics is you will get pulse rifle burst. And this one's like a shotgun blast with a lot of damage. It doesn't have the radius cone effect. It's still a single hit. But it works out really well. Once again, I did 2 accuracies and 3 damage. Then you will get equip robot. What this does is it makes it so that you can enhance what your pets do. It enhances what your robots do by increasing the types of attacks they have, the amount of damage they do, and things like that. Now, some servers like Homecoming have made it so that you can socket these. I put just 1 defense in them because I'm used to them not being socketed. In the original live version, there is no need to socket these. So if you're playing on Homecoming, you can enhance this more and put in more abilities because on Homecoming, you get resist damage. So if I was you on Homecoming, I would put 3 slots into this into resist damage because this makes your pets more durable. Now, the next one is photon grenade. This is an attack that you do just like the pulse rifle attacks. And I did, once again, 2 accuracies, 3 damage. And as you're leveling up, every so often you want to resummon your pets because every so often you get more pets, such as when you hit level 6, you will get a second drone pet. But after proton grenade, you get protector robots. Now, protector robots will heal and repair your other robots along with putting force fields on them. I personally like to put on 3 damage and 3 accuracies on this. I want to do a lot of damage. You can, on the other hand, increase the defense on them, the 2-hit debuffs, and things like that. It's all up to you. Now, you will get on most servers a repair ability next. On the Homecoming server, they replaced that with a maintenance droid. This is a bot that you summon up that when it heals, it loses its own health and will stay up until it hits 0 health or is destroyed. It's not very aggroed that much, but it's a really cool way of doing things. Either way, I put 3 slots of heal in this because either one is only a heal on your robots. With the maintenance drone on Homecoming, you do not need to worry about targeting the robot that you want to heal. The maintenance drone will automatically do it. However, if you're on any other server and you just have repair, you will need to target your pet first, then use the ability. Finally, you get assault robot, or this is close to the end. And once again, I did 3 damage and 3 accuracies on this, and that works out really, really well. This pet is really cool because it fires rockets and can do area effect damages and stuff like that. That's really, really nice and helpful to your build. Finally, you get Upgrade Robot, and this is the one that gives the rocket launchers, enhances even further your other pets. And by this time, you should be having all 6 pets. You should have 3 battle drones, 2 protector bots, and the assault bot. On most servers, like I stated with the other upgrade or equip robot ability, this one allows you to socket it on Homecoming, but none of the other servers. And this one allows you to enhance the heals that your protector bots do, which is really nice. So that's how I built up the robotics side of things for the power sets. The traps power sets, on the other hand, here's how I went with that. First off, you get Web Grenade. This will immobilize an enemy, so they won't be able to move, they'll still be able to attack you. I put 1 accuracy on this to make sure that will hit more often, and I put 1 immobilization on it. Then targeting beacon, you put down this little beacon where in the area everything gets healed, and it's over time type of heal. I socketed this with 3 heals. Then you get a force field generator that for a good amount of time, it will follow you around. By the time it destroys itself, it has repopped. So the only thing I put on this is I put 3 enhanced defense buffs is what I put on this one. Then there's the acid mortar. This is a mortar that you put down in an area and will shoot acid out at the enemy. I put 1 accuracy, 2 damage. Then there's Poison Trap. This Poison Trap is really, really good. What I did here is I wanted some hold effects so that if the enemy gets too close, it holds them off. And I put 1 accuracy and 2 holds to make sure that the hold sticks really, really well. Then you get Seeker Drones, which also your protector bots will shoot out every so often. And these Seeker Drones that you get to shoot out, I put 1 accuracy, 2 damage. Then I did Trip Mine. And with Trip Mine, I did once again 1 accuracy, 2 damage, then Detonator. You put an explosive on one of your pets. And with this, depending on what type of pet you have, they will either ignore it or they will stop and try to take it off and throw it at the enemy. With robots, they ignore it and will just go off. But I put 1 accuracy and 2 damage on this. So you are sacrificing a pet to do a lot of damage. So use this one sparingly. Very, very sparingly. And then as usual, like I do with all my characters, I made it so I have 3 slots in health and added healing into that. And then stamina, I did 3 slots for endurance enhancements. And that is how I built out this character. Here is a complete view of how I fully set mine up. The epic pool powers, choose what fits well for you and what you want to do. If you want to learn how to make better commands out of your pets and really customize that, check out this video right here. Have a great day.